Hey Spy Squad, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, press that red subscribe button down below and press the bell so you don't miss a thing your girl posts. Happy Vlogmas, y'all. It's been a full week of Vlogmas and it's been good. So, public service announcement. My mom is the real MVP and can't nobody tell me otherwise. My mom is the best. I've been so blessed, like seriously. I'm not sure what my mom recorded, so what I'm about to play, I have not even seen it yet. Well, granted, like I'm gonna edit it and all of that stuff, but like right now with me speaking, I have not looked at my camera. I'm not sure what she said, but my mother did my entire backsplash. Talk about an MVP. She just did it out of the kindness of her heart. She did the backsplash in my kitchen. We did do the peel and stick. She did the peel and stick for her kitchen backsplash. I don't know how easy it is, but it's something definitely that you can do yourself because my mom has did it. She's not a handyman, but she knows how to get the job done, period. I came in so surprised because it just looks so good and I wasn't sure everything that she did because she didn't tell me, but she did show me certain things when she was doing it and I was like, oh, this looks good and it's great. It looks so good and I'm just so excited. So I'm excited to see the rest of the video just like you guys are. So my mom took over my Vlogmas day today and did my backsplash, so let's just tune in and see what this crazy lady was talking about because she said she was talking to y'all.
Hi Spice Squad. For those that do not know me, I'm Nael's mom, Miss Dina, and I'm at Nael's house, as you can see. I am going to attempt to start her kitchen and get started on her backsplash. Since my child is so busy, as y'all know she is booked and busy, she wanted me to come down and get an early start and start her kitchen, one side of her kitchen, to get her backsplash up. It's a DIY project that we're attempting to do. Don't judge if you come and it doesn't look perfect, but I'm gonna try to get it as perfect as possible. But in the meantime, I didn't get to eat yet, so I'm snacking on my lunch before I get started. If you know us, we like to eat, and I work better on a full stomach. Okay, alrighty, I will be right back. Okay, Spice Squad, I'm about to start. And I think I'm gonna start on this wall, on this side, because I think she said this was gonna be the hardest side to complete. So let me get to measuring and get started. This is the tile she selected. It's a tic-tac-toe style, all white, and it's a peel and stick. So it's an easy DIY, do-it-yourself project. If you're not really that good at actual backsplash, the peel and stick's the way to go. I did it on my own kitchen. That's why she wanted me to try and do it on her kitchen, because it really came out really cute and you can't even tell when you walk in. It looks very natural. So let me go ahead and get started. I had to cut the first side off only because this is going to be the start of her wall and you can't have overlap here showing. It will look a little messy, so I had to cut that first end piece to get started. And it's really simple. You basically just peel the ends off here and stick. Of course, my first piece wants to be a little challenging. Sticks really nicely. It's going to be a little challenging to get that top part, that little part up there, so I'll probably have to cut one strip to do the top part there. She's probably going to be mad at me because I'm not good with this camera thing and everything is like all over the place, so I might not have certain parts in the putting up the backsplash that she might like, but I'm trying my best, Naya, I promise. I'm trying my best. Let's see if this is going to fit properly. And it does, it fits perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel the back off, and it's really easy. It kind of guides you because it already has the spots cut out that you overlap and put next to each other. So it really works out. I just don't like unpeeling these things. They give you such a hard time. Couldn't have made them any easier, could you? Like literally, look, it's like 2 pieces I'm having to peel off here. This is gonna be so time consuming just by peeling the back layers off to stickle them. And so all I'm doing is sticking. It's kind of like perfect. You stick that right in there. The hard part is making it fit exactly so it's not too off. You try the top first. Might be a little easier. Of course, the camera wants to give me a hard time as well. So this is where it gets tricky. So I'm gonna have to unscrew these and take these out and try to cut around as best as possible right in here. So it's gonna get a little tricky right there. So this is Nael's junk drawer, and I'm looking for a flathead, and of course I find all the screwdrivers, no flatheads. Some Sudafed if you have a headache. She probably doesn't even know they're in there. She's always complaining she needs something for her headache. That's not gonna work. So much for the junk drawer. Found it. This was her Christmas gift I got her last year when I knew she was getting her house. Pink and pretty, just like Nael. You know, she's real girly with the whole pink. Alright, flathead. And of course, that's the one that's not in here. Oh, this will work. So I'm going to go ahead and unscrew these plates here. So this will make it easier for me to cut. Wasn't thinking. If I was thinking, I would have cut the bottom, wouldn't have cut this bottom part out, and I could have just stick this completely down here, but wasn't thinking to. I know going forward I'll do better with that. I think I might just do this part over. I already don't like how this part looks.
it coming? Wow. Oh, that looks good on camera. You're doing such a good job.
It's a lot of work.
You're doing a really good job. Oh my God, I feel like my house looks fancy. I'm excited. Are you recording?
Yeah, see the camera's right here. I was talking to it in the beginning.
Hey, Spice Squad. I'm on the phone.
All right, guys, the hard part is over. Was getting over these sockets, but then I just found out there's another socket that I have to go over here. Oh, I thought the hard part was over, but I see it wasn't. And make sure y'all comment below to tell Nayel that she does not have to call and check on me. I was doing good, right? I thought I was. I thought I was doing pretty good. So, hardest part is out of the way, thank God. Still don't like that little space right there, but I'm hoping it's not too obvious once the whole wall is up, because that's my only issue so far. I think it's this part right there. Maybe it won't be so obvious with this overlapping. We'll see. We shall see, guys. I really don't like this, and I have to take this off. Put this back on because it's sticking out like a sore thumb. I don't know if you guys see it, but it's noticeable on my end. So I'm going to take this off and try to redo that one part there. It's going to drive me crazy. Perfect. Now that looks so much better. Made me so happy, guys. You have no idea. Certain things that are just not cute to me, and that was not cute. But I fixed it. Looks good now. Also, I want to get some gold silver plates here. We need to do a Home Depot run. So I would like to make these stainless steel. It will look nicer on this backsplash. Alright, this one's almost done. I'm so excited. Just gotta fix these top parts, do that end, and then these two side walls. And this will be done. I'm so excited. You could tell I did a horrible job cutting right here because I need an X-Acto knife. See, if I had an X-Acto knife, maybe I'll leave that like that and then get one, and that way I can slice it right there and it'll be perfect. Looks pretty good so far, right? Doesn't look bad at all. Okay, guys, so I'm sorry that I didn't get to record the whole video of me doing the entire back kitchen. I started over on this side, as you can see. I'm finishing that wall right there. I didn't know if I was going to be able to, but I do have enough to do it. So I finished this side over here. And then I started the other side, and I totally forgot to turn the camera on as I was starting. But as you can see, I finished this side. What do you guys think? And I think we need some more yellow. I think she needs to put the yellow on top of the cabinets. What do you guys think? I think she can put a couple accent pieces up there. There's plenty of room to put some pieces up there to add a splash of yellow. You see her curtain. And she has this lemon here. I'm sorry, that's a pear. Are pears yellow? Yeah, I guess they are kind of yellow. They're kind of gold. She puts the lemon dish up there. That usually goes on the table, in her dining room table. But we need a few more yellow pieces. Maybe another like little yellow rug here at the stove. What do you guys think? But I really like the backsplash. I think she did a good job picking it out. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish the last part of this wall right here. And I'm thinking about, what do you guys think? Should I put something here? I don't know. I'll play it by ear. Guys, I finally finished the kitchen. I'm like 80% happy with the final project, only because I struggled and know where my imperfections were and what I had a hard time with. I'll let you be the judge. So my second time doing the peel and sticks backsplash. It's a little harder when you gotta cut corners and go around light sockets and outlets, but I think overall I did pretty good. Nai's probably gonna be a little more judgmental because it's her house and she'll probably see the flaws, but I hope she likes it. What do you guys think? If you can spot the flaws, please don't point them out to her. I'm hoping you can't, that they're very, very minor, that it's not a big deal. And some of the lines are going to be off because of how some parts are a little higher up than others, and I had to start fresh in some areas. But overall, I think it does bring a little bit of elegance to the kitchen. It looks really good. So I hope she's happy with it. We can always change it and take it down and rearrange it. She does have another box left, so that's a good thing. So just always remember what Nai says, be the light wherever you go, because wherever you go, the light shall follow. Remember to like, subscribe to all her social medias. They'll be down below, and you guys have a great and fantastic rest of your day.
Hope you guys enjoyed and you learned a little something. I got the peel and stick backsplash from Wayfair. They were having a sale. I just measured and then guesstimated, so yeah. Any questions, just comment down below. I'll definitely ask my mother for you, or she'll see it and she'll comment back to you. Tune in for tomorrow's video. You guys know what I always say, especially by now if you've been tuning into Vlogmas, you continue to be the light wherever you go, because wherever you go, the light shall follow.